Hello, how you guys doing today? Welcome to Trailer Park Customs. Today we're not going to be so trailer park. At my buddy's Tyler's today, we got a few things going on. First thing, we're going to go ahead and do a Milwaukee review. I just got in the mail today, M12 Impact and M12 Ratchet. As you can see, as well, I got here some parts for the old lady's car. I've been meaning to. I got some lugs I need to replace, a couple studs. As you guys seen in a previous video, we're missing one, but got those. Got some tie rod ends. Might get to that today. I don't know. We'll see how everything goes. But yeah, just pulled up at my buddy's house, and we're gonna go give him a chat. Oh shit, boys! Oh shit, boys! Look at this goof. Told you. Look at him. Oh shit. Oh shit. We're back, boys. Here we are. We're at T-Deck's house. Finally here. But these are the tools that I sent you guys about earlier we got in today. The goose at Home Depot sent me 2 of them, as you seen, in the video. But we're gonna start by unboxing probably the M12 fuel, the 1/4-inch impact first. Check it out. I've been waiting on this for weeks. Seems like, it's probably the last, but let's see. I like the hard case a lot on these. What do you think of these? Okay, check it out. So, this is what you get in case when you open it up. Oh, you win the Milwaukee's. $1,000 to win. You get all sorts of goodies. Check it out. Comes with, actually, 2 batteries. They're the 2.0s. I don't know if you can see it in the wrapper. Maybe that one's better, but this is the fuel, the brushless. This is a new feature I've noticed about the newer ones. If you take a look, it's got 2 different drive modes. It's got the first and the second. One's for, like, small screws and stuff like that, and then when you need a little power too. But haven't used it yet. I plan on doing an actual review of me using it, so. But they're not too bad. So the next thing, also, this was like $160 with this, by the way. So let's check this out. This thing is like what I really wanted out of this whole set, and it's 3/8 ratchet. Comes in 1/4-inch, as I'm sure if you're watching this video, you probably already know that. But if you look at the low profile ratchet head on it, pretty sweet. It's heavy duty. It's pretty nice. It's got the intelligent link, I want to call it. I think, what is it called here? Well, no, I could be wrong. Red link, okay, with the battery level on it. But I think it's 35 foot-pounds of torque. Yep. But also has a locking feature I noticed about it. Like if it doesn't have power to break a nut free, you can lock it and then break it free by hand and then proceed, of maybe. Yeah, there you go. Also got a little LED light on it. It's pretty heavy, but it's nice. Alright, boys, head down to the garage. We got a little bit of, told you I'd bring you a tool review, so that's where we're heading. I gotta stop at the old Dirty Gills Market real quick. Gotta get me some of them cigarettes. I wonder if this is gonna stay.
Hard far away, dog.
Why? Oh, yeah. Duh. Nigga, skipping work. Look at him. Skipping work. Oh! Skipping work!
I do it sometimes, bro.
Yeah, I'm with you. You're knocking it.
Sometimes you just gotta do it.
Work sucks. It sucks the fat one. I'll never tell you though, because you got this little fancy hoodie on. Fucking G.I. Joe over here. Of the fucking 60s.
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh, do you see that? She's giving lift. Fucking camera. You tell the way I welcome today's me. Oh shit. Right here good?
Yeah. Great. Can't
and show you. Got lugs, studs. For that one.
What are you gonna do? Just do the stud right now? Or
Yeah. Something quick and easy.
what?
Yo, boys, whoa, easy. Cheat around. Like we're hot boxing or something in here. Up to the sports. Jesus.
I was waiting to see if you were gonna say something.
Jesus. Hey, I got something funny for you, bro.
What?
I go in there. Kim's like, have you went and seen Tyler's sick ass? I was like, nah. I was like, been at my sister's. They're just in there doing nothing, bro.
Yeah.
Jamie, what's that her name?
Jamie's working.
The fat bitch, yeah. That used to work there. She's there with Kim, and then that fat redhead lady that lives right here that used to own my sister's old house. Yeah, this don't like to stay very well. She's up there jibber jabbing. She's like, how's your sister's kids? I'm like, good.
Good, bro.
Like, I was hooking this on my mirror. That's Byron Roberts' truck.
Yeah, he dates Blaine's sister.
Oh, go figure, huh?
Yeah.
Shit, boys. So I'm lucky these YouTube fuckers, they already know I need one of these.
Is that the one that you're talking to?
Mm-hmm. Remind me to take a picture of that on the way back.
Oh, something turned.
Yeah. She said they're closing on it next week. Boys, there might be good things coming soon.
Pictures or something like that.
The Aztecs, yeah. What, were you in here goofing off to the camera?
Yeah. I was like, I'm gonna see if I can get this bitch nice and fogged up. See if he says something.
What's up with this house? It burned down or something?
What do you think happened there?
I want to say methamphetamine lab.
Yep. Yeah, something I didn't know who's got a full day.
If she's home.
She might not be. See tire tracks, but
Alright, boys, we're at the garage.
I see that. I don't know if that's going there. Maybe we should try. Maybe we should try.
You need me or? Okay, boys, see. This is the garage we use. Because as you know, it's Trailer Park Customs. We don't have one on hand, but we're working on that. Oh shit, boys.
Here we go.
We made it! Oh fuck, boys, we made it! Look at this fucking
Hondas
goof.
fit in here better, bro.
They do. Here. Speaking of Hondas. Oh! I need two. I need the turbo to some bitch. You cold? You can probably shut that door. If
Be no light.
Okay, boys. As I told you, I'll bring you a actual full review. Look how it. Okay, first tool. We're gonna go ahead and try out M12 ratchet 3/8. They say, boys. Go ahead and give her a rip on one of these bolts, see what she's got. As said, has all the power she needs. It's not bad, not bad. Let's check out the and then you can tighten it by hand. like a regular ratchet. Pretty nice, isn't it? Try something a little harder, like one of these 100 bolts, maybe. Nope. So then what I'll do is go ahead and bust that loose like that. Oh shit, boy. Fuel the brushless. 1/4 inch. To me, it seems like it's gonna be good for like a lot of lighter duty things and stuff like that, but okay. Try one of these bolts. And then as you see, you got 2 speeds. It doesn't like, supposedly it says. So, runs it in nice and slow. It's also got the chut where you can just push it in, it locks. Like most of them, you gotta pull it in to get it to go in. It just pushes in, and so that's the one thing I did notice about these new M12s. I have one of the older, the non-brushless one. I think it's from like 2 years ago, but I think it's not as good as this, definitely. But these days, I'm not gonna do it today, I don't think. But as you can see, missing a stud, something terrible, and a nut. Look at this rim though, fucking just dicked. Fucking old lady. What a fucking drive. What can you do though, boys? What can you do? Oh shit. What'd I do with my flame? A flame starter. Is it really? Back in action. Yeah, we're just hanging out down here. Brewski. What's he drinking? Oh, Reds. Woo. Look at him sucking on the robot cock over here. Where's he at? Sucking on the robot dick. Cheeching. Fucking just cheeching. Something fucking terrible, aren't you? Look at this fucking goof fucking cheeching up. Man, something fucking terrible. I tried that shit. Tastes good. Yeah, I was gonna say, oh yeah, don't get me wrong, boys. I was sucking the robot cocks for a second. Yeah, bass? Yeah, bass? Yeah, bass? Yeah, bass? Yeah, bass? Let's see what the fuck this is. What you looking for?
Well, it's 2 seconds. I'm missing out of that kit.
Jesus, Pete.
Here's one of them.
Oh, you found her?
Oh no, I just gotta find other. What is it I'm missing? Yeah, fuck it, I'll find it. Got some blue hanger.
Yeah, as I say.
Oh, it's in here.
Look at his tool organization skills here. What a fucking goof.
I got a fucking box, bro. Here's an.
Shit. Look at that, boys. Fucking rights. Look at this shit.
That was from the Audi.
Fucking 1 through R. What's that? 1 through R. You see that? Ooh.
What's this say?
1 through R.
1 through. Damn, dude. I don't know where that one went.
Yeah, so right now I'll give you guys a tour of the kind of temporary shop that my buds, this is Graham's, but we use it. Work on the cars. We're not gonna do none of that today. It's like 23 degrees here in Michigan. A little too cold for us today. We ain't got no insulation in the walls, as you can see, so as you might know, it's colder than fuck out here.
What sizes I'm missing? It's right in between these two. Hold on, I can't see shit. I'm blind already as it is.
That's a 11.
Oh, 11 and then...
That's a, what, 9, so you're
So
missing
I'm
a 10.
10.
Of course you are. The most fucking... Oh, I'll tell you about the 10 millimeters.
Let's... 10 millimeter right here.
Yeah, there's one right here, too.
Yeah. Oh, I think this is the one that was actually in the kit.
Yeah, that's the one I fucking dickered. Look at this, boys. Doing, we were placing some brake lines and somebody had previously stripped that fucker, so I cut the line, pounded the nut off, wasn't even the right fucking line. What do you know?
That's what I had to use for the CV
Fucking
axle.
dickered. Oh, yeah. Yep, CV, Audi. What year is that?
96.
96 Audi, what is it, 2.8?
2.8 A4 Quattro.
Yeah. What'd you get, though? What'd you get, buddy? What'd you get?
What do you mean?
What'd you get instead of an Audi?
Got a Honda EF 88.
Big things coming for that soon, I hope.
Hatch. At that.
Hatch,
Not the four-door.
not the four-door. He's got basically same color as mine. You see my rusty old piece of shit sleeper weeper. But like I said, I got the D series turbo kit for it. I'll show you guys that. I'll do an unbox video of all that shit. Let you guys check it out and see what you think. Maybe you guys got some tips. I don't know. I don't know if you boys play with the rice cookers or what, but we'll see. We'll see. Also, in the thoughts, if I get enough views, thinking maybe might end up doing a giveaway on the other M12 set. What do you think of that idea?
Great idea.
It was free, right, boys? Who doesn't like free shit? And, you know, if it helps you guys out and helps me out, why not, you know? I'm all about you guys. We gotta get you guys to the channel. To the channel wits. Goob.
Gotta be subscribed.
Gotta be subscribed. Yep, subscribe and comment on this video, and we'll see how it works out, and it may turn into something, but yeah, as you can see, this is, like I said, I'd bring you something, but it ain't much. Yep. Fucking told you. Look, boys. O'Reilly's. That's where it's at. But, yeah. See you guys soon.